Yo guys, and in this video I will be talking about my two main scenarios that are right now looking to be playing out here exactly on this market. So are we going to be breaking down of this head and shoulders pattern, or are we going to be seeing a breakout above of this potential inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame? So I'm going to be looking at both of these patterns right now here, and I will be casually trade this either towards the upside or downside, whether we're going to get a confirmation on which direction we're going to be breaking towards. So if you want to be seeing more of this, make sure to watch this video till the end, because as well in this video, guys, I'm going to go over a lot of interesting things. I will be talking about the Bitcoin bottom potentially being in, if we're going to look at how long it historically has been taking us to form a bottom on the market after having a Bitcoin halving. So much more things will be getting discussed in today's video, guys. So make sure to watch it till the end. It's going to be a very exciting one, and let's dive right away in towards the imminent short term before discussing the larger time frames on Bitcoin. Make sure that you're right now going to be slapping up that like button and subscribe to the channel, and of course ring up the bell notification if you do not want to be missing out on any of these further updates I will be dropping out here on this channel. This is of course a classic bearish bias pattern right now on the market, and like you can see, we still lost the strength. We got rejected by the 20.8k, and right now what it will be clearly say is that as soon as we see a significant break below basically this low on the market over here, so the 19.8k as well, we're going to be looking for lower targets on the market. Right now we can clearly see we formed a high, lower high, so far still lower high, lower lows, lower lows. So we're clearly trading in a downtrend, and as soon as we are seeing a confirmation and a continuation of this trend, this could be allowing us to of course take some shorts on this market. However, right now I'm just going to take it very cautious, because also I am very much aware that we can still go up from here on. So my strategy right now here is to just wait and clearly see about which direction this market is heading towards. And actually on the 4-hourly time frame, I'm going to set my support level right now on this range over here, and I'm going to be dragging down this horizontal box as well a little bit here, because like you can see, this is still extremely important for our support. We've been bouncing from it not only once but already twice, and I will be definitely say, as long as we're holding up towards this 4-hour support, we're definitely going to be looking alrighty. But yeah, what I want to be seeing for the bullish scenario to play out, I want to be seeing a break above the 21k here, because if we break above the 21,000 US dollars, it basically is confirming a break above this critical downtrend on the market. And if we break this critical downtrend on the market, then yeah, potentially we could start to look for more continuations towards higher targets. So yeah, I am definitely still willing to trade the market long or short, really depending on whether we're right now going to be breaking towards, right? So yesterday I made a warning for you guys out there that there was a potential scenario that we're going to be breaking down. But of course, if we're not going to be breaking down, I am also not going to trade short, because that's going to be stupid. You should always wait for a trend reversal confirmation before opening a trade on it at all. So that is also what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be waiting to see which direction the market is going to go towards, and then I'm going to look to be trading this market on that direction onwards. So a thing that is still pretty worrisome in my opinion is right now the altcoins, because Bitcoin dominance has been falling off significantly, and if we're looking to coin market cap, we can clearly see altcoins are recovering massively. And this really reminds me all the way back of 2018 bear market, where we were in the middle of the bear market, but altcoins sometimes saw these insane spikes, like Polygon is right now having 25%, right? But in the end of the day, it's a bear market rally in an altcoin, because if we're going to click, for instance, on Polygon, we can see that if we're going to look at the past 3 months, it has only come down, and right now it is only going to be more than likely to still see a continuation from this level. So I will be right away to say to you guys out there, do I think it's smart to be buying altcoins right now? No, I don't think so. I think it's smart to be buying altcoins if the Bitcoin dominance is going to increase all the way back up towards 52 to 53%. Also, a thing to look out for right now is the Bitcoin long positions. Bitcoin long positions are still massively increasing. This is of course a very positive development in the market, because historically speaking, the more longs that enter the market, the more likely the reversal is going to get inevitably. So yeah, I am definitely still in the longer term bullish on Bitcoin. I am not selling my Bitcoin for my spot positions or whatsoever, and some people don't get it, but yeah, this was going to be a trade. This is not that I'm going to sell my hodl position because I think the market is going to go lower. No, it's a trading position. So also looking at the weekly time frame, like I told you guys several times before, I still expect the market on the weekly time frame is going to be bouncing from the Ultimate retest. So we perfectly retested the Ultimate, and right now I am still expecting to see at least a little bit of a relief rally in towards the coming 5 to 15 weeks in towards this end stage of 2022 basically. So also, if we're going to look at the BLX chart right now on Bitcoin, I'm currently found something that is maybe very interesting for you guys as well to look at. Because if we're going to look at every single historical bottom we formed here, after we had the halving in the market, here in 2013, it took us approximately 777 days. And here in 2016, 2016 halving, it took us approximately 882 days. And right now, if we're going to look at how far we're standing, and on an average is like 700 to 800 days, you can clearly see we've been already in approximately 770 days after the halving. And that is of course already like we're closer towards the next halving than we were on the previous one. So that is a very good development first of all. But more importantly, guys, if we're going to believe this, and if we're going to look at, okay, where are historical bottoms getting formed here? So approximately bottoms are getting formed between the 800 days after a Bitcoin halving. We could definitely argue right now, okay, maybe the bottom is already in, or maybe we're extremely close if we are going to be believing historical data on Bitcoin. So this, of course, interesting to look at. But once again, guys, I want to be pointing out, we are trading at lower risk stages. Yes, macro environment concerning. It is definitely, of course, worrisome to be investing in Bitcoin right now. But if we're going to be believing the history of the development of Bitcoin, we are right now definitely at a stage where the risk is most certainly low. Also looking at the exchange net position change on Bitcoin, we are right now seeing very different behavior than 2018 bear market. In 2018 bear market, we saw a huge inflow of coins to exchanges because people were panic selling. And right now still, on this whole stage, after basically the 2020 halving, since there's also less production of Bitcoin, there's only outflow from exchanges. People are withdrawing their exchanges, and of course, history goes and repeats, if you are withdrawing your Bitcoin from exchanges, it is very likely to become a long-term holder, because 82% of all the supply that's getting withdrawn from exchanges turns out to be a 1+ year holder. So yeah, it is pretty good that we're right now seeing a significant outflow on the market, because it's only meaning that we're seeing a bigger creation of long-term holders. Also, I can't stress enough about it, the Bitcoin Pure multiple is right now once again indicating bottom signals. Yes, I do understand the fear is extremely high. We're very uncertain about where we're heading towards, but in the most uncertain periods in the markets, it is usually the best to be, of course, greedy. It's the best. And right now we can also see it like on-chain data is flashing bottom indicators, but no one is talking about this right now. Pure multiple, this is of course an historical Bitcoin bottom indicator, has historically already called the market bottom here in 2020. It has called the market bottom in 2018. And if I'm going to zoom out, it has also called the bottom in 2015. And also, if I'm going to zoom out even more, it has called the bottom in 2011. So this is an historical bottom signal indicator, and this is a thing to pay attention towards. So if we're looking also at the Fear and Greed Index, we're currently trading on 11. Yeah, the fear has been calming down a little bit here. We were trading on 6 on the index. However, right now, still, I will be remaining a little bit more cautious here in the market. But yeah, I personally think still on the larger picture, it is smart to be buying the fear and selling the greed, because that is how it works in the ultimate strategy. If anyone is interested in trading, make sure to check out the link in the description, because in the link in the description, you can be finding your link towards Bybit, and on Bybit, you can trade with 0% maker fees for the coming 30 days. And also, if you're going to join my WSOT team, you can win a Bored Ape literally for free for only joining my team. And guys, you will get a free $100 if you join my team right now here. It will be getting rewarded towards the first 300 people. So yeah, you still have space to join it, so make sure to do that as well. However, this wasn't already it for today's video. So if you did enjoy the video, make sure to smash up the like button right now here, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.